Hi everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I want to cover mold in your air ducts, in your vents. You will see a picture where you will see mold on these vents, and let me explain you why they got mold on these vents, what create the mold, and how you can prevent having mold in your vents and things that you can do. First of all, they are humidifiers in the system that you can install to your furnace as well as dehumidifiers. In this case, this homeowner had a humidifier. Basically, it's a unit that puts humidity back into the system. And what's happening is that this humidity travels through the vents, and then when it gets to the house, since the house has a different humidity level and a different temperature, it creates condensation on the face of these vents. It feels wet. I don't know if you can see it on the picture, but when I touch it, I can feel the water. What was happening is that it was creating condensation, and over time, those vents were getting mold. Eventually, that mold will grow its way into the vents, and then the whole system probably will need to be clean. But if you see here, the vents are contaminated, but the ducts aren't. Basically, all the metal from the vent to the furnace wasn't contaminated. But if you have this situation, I highly recommend to hire a professional and clean those vents. If you want to just replace them, could be even cheaper. And one thing that you need to know, if your ducts are made of metal, basically the lines going to the furnace are made of metal or wood, you can clean and sanitize and disinfect, seal those. That way you don't have any issues with mold. But if you have flex lines by the ICRC, you shouldn't clean those. Those flex lines should be replaced, because there's a chance that the mold will grow in between the plastic and the insulation. But if you have any mold issues, please go back to your unit, check that you don't have a humidifier running. Make sure that you know the humidity in your house. I recommend that you have a humidifier running during the winter, since the air gets drier. But during the summer, I wouldn't run a humidifier. I would run a dehumidifier to pull humidity out of the house. If you have any question, please leave a comment on this video or give us a call one more time. This is Dayton with Rodriguez Cleaning Services. Thank you.